Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create custom Shopify collection filters. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So on Shopify, if you simply head over to your products, and you can see we have collections in here, and we have multiple filters on top. So if you want to simply filter it by sales channel or type, you can do that. But if you want to create some collections, you can do that as well using this button on top. We need to simply put some details in here, and eventually it is going to be listed in this particular list. So let's just say you want to simply create some filters. First thing is you can create new views, which is custom. You can totally customize its name and settings, and if not, you can use an integration using the app store provided by Shopify itself, and that is going to give you a big hand. So yeah, I hope this is something that you're looking for and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.